What's going on YouTube? Today I wanted to do a very quick video. 2012 Jetta. If you're having issues where every time you get gas or every time you open up the gas cap and you go to start your car, it has a hard time starting, well, this is the issue. Purchased the part on Amazon. Part number is in the photo. It is located right here, right behind the intake manifold. You know, it just sits right here. You know, that's the sensor that plugs into here. But anyway, yep, that was it. Normally, if you have an issue where every time you fill up, you have a hard time starting the car, it's either a bad gas cap or it's this. Or it could be like a broken hose, like one of these hoses here. Maybe it has a hole in it. But in my case, it was this. I already replaced the gas cap and that didn't fix it. So here it is. And yep, that's it. Quick video. All right, I got the new solenoid in. Here's the old one. Basically, all you do is you slide the solenoid off of that bracket, right? So you pull it out. Boom. And then after you do that, oh, that's the rubber gasket. After you do that, you disconnect that hose, and then you disconnect that sensor by putting a flathead screwdriver right there in that slot, the one at the back end, right here. And then you pry it outwards. So you pry it going back towards going back. And you can disconnect that sensor. That's it. Swap it over, put the new one in. Boom. All right, installation done.